Good morning, friends. Why good morning? It's a common saying, जब जागो तभी सवेरा. Today's topic is social distancing. In today's time, lot of talk has been made regarding social distancing. Let us understand the meaning of social distancing. What social distancing actually means. Social distancing, also called as physical distancing, is a set of non-pharmaceutical intervention or measures taken to prevent the spread of contagious disease by maintaining physical distance between people coming into close contact with each other. It involves keeping a distance of at least 6 feet or 2 meters from other and avoid gathering together in large groups. By reducing the probability that a given infected person will come into physical contact with an infected person, the disease transmission can be suppressed, resulting in fewer deaths. The measures are combined with good respiratory hygiene and hand washing. During the 2019-20 COVID-19 pandemic, the WHO suggested that it is the social distancing which is one of the most important preventive measures to prevent the spread of the pandemic. Even our Indian Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has also requested people to maintain social distancing. Several social distancing measures are used, including isolation, quarantine, restricted movement of people, and cancellation of mass gathering. Social distancing measures date back to at least 5th century BC. The Bible containing one of the earliest known references to the practice in the book of Leviticus. During the plague of Justinian, Emperor Justinian enforced an ineffective quarantine on the Byzantine Empire, including dumping bodies into the sea, predominantly blaming the widespread outbreak. In modern time, social distancing measures have been successfully implemented in several previous endemics. In St. Louis, shortly after the case of influenza was discovered in the city during 1980s, the pandemic authorities implemented social closures, bans of public gatherings, and other social distancing interventions. Social distancing measures are more effective when the infectious disease spread via droplet method, such as coughing and sneezing. That physical contact, including sexual contacts, touching a contaminated surface, or airborne transmission. This method is less effective when the infection is transmitted primarily via contaminated food or contaminated water, or by any other vector such as mosquito or other insects. Yet, social distancing has certain drawbacks, including loneliness, mental stress, depression, homesickness, lack of physical activities, resulting in weight gain and lethargy. But social distancing is the need of the hour. It is one of the strongest ways to restrict the spread of COVID-19 infection. So guys, I am requesting everyone strictly to follow social distancing. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.